Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to post anything, images, text, or anything you'd like on Reddit. So at first, you need to open up Reddit via your app if you're using a phone, or you can even use website or an app on your PC as well. So after you have reached this page, the home page or the dashboard, you need to search for the plus sign which will be at the bottom right here. This will let you create a post which you can post on any community you'd like. So you just need to click on that. After you click on that, all the communities that you have followed will be listed right here, or you can even search for anything you'd like. So you guys can see there are many things. So if you want to post on dad jokes, you can click on here. You need to click on that community and you need to enter a title now. So whatever the title is, you need to enter there. I'm going to enter login Zines, and some things are not allowed in particular communities. If you want to add emails in this community, you can't. No videos, no link, no polls, nothing, only text and a title. So anything you'd like, any text, that joke, because the community's name is that joke, anything you'd like. And you can even see the rules right here. There will be many rules in each and every community. There are 12 rules as of now, and you need to click on I understand, and it's done. So after you have written everything you want, or you have entered whatever the data needs to be provided, you need to click on next. So after you click on next, you can click on NSFW if it's a 18 plus thing or not safe for work, and if there's a spoiler, you can click on the spoiler or both. So after you are done clicking all of these, you can simply click on post, and it will be posted in a few seconds. So you guys can see my thing or my text has already been posted, and if you want to delete this, you have to check our next video. So I believe I've taught you guys how to post on Reddit, anything you'd like on Reddit. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.